The scientist is not a person who gives her the right answers. He's the one who asks the right questions. Good morning to one and all present here. I am Arjun from 6th day and I am going to be talking about few very popular scientists. I am going to be talking about 3 scientists. They are Sir M. Vishweshwaraya, APJ Abdul Kalam and Albert Einstein. So let's get started. Sir M. Vishweshwaraya was born on 15 September 1860. His parents were Venkatala Lakshmamma and Srinivasa Shastri. Known world over for his contribution to harnessing water resources, Vishweshwaraya was among other things responsible for the building and consolidation of dams across the country. He is also credited with inventing the block system automated doors that close in the conditions of overflow. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931. He received many awards such as the Bharat Ratna, Hoover Medal, Padma Vibhushan and many more. His parents were Jainul Abdin and Ashiyamma. He thus came to be known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. He also played a pivotal organizational, technical and political role in the Indian Pokhran 2 nuclear test in 1998, the first in the original nuclear test by India in 1974. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 and his parents were Hermann Einstein and Pauline Einstein. In addition to his work on relativity, the physicist laid the scientific foundations for paper towels, lasers and more common products. Albert Einstein is justly famous for devising his theory of relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of space, time, gravity and the universe. Thank you.
Of mathematics STEM club activity, I am going to explain you about angles and property of a triangle. As you can see that here I have made a model based on this angles and property. Here ABC is a triangle where BAC is equal to 30 degree. That is, this angle is equal to 30 degree. Then angle ABC is equal to 123 degree and angle ACB is equal to 27 degree. I have mentioned the degrees here. Now you can see that I have mentioned the 3 angles of a triangle. Now we are going to prove that the sum of these angles will be equal to 180 degree. So as we all know that the angles and property states that the sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Thus, angle BAC plus angle ACB plus angle ABC would be equal to 180 degree. When we substitute these values with the degrees that we have measured in this triangle, we can find that 30 degree plus 27 degree plus 123 degree must be equal to 180 degree to prove this. So, as you can see here, when we add up these amounts, we can find 180 degree. Thus, the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Thus, the angle sum property is proved. To make it more understanding, I will shift this degree towards here. If we take AB as a transversal, then we can find that the opposite interior angles will be equal. So, you can see that, now you can see that angle ABC would be equal to 30 degrees. Then when I substitute even this, when I place even this angle, you can see that the whole angles form a linear pair, that is 180 degree. Thus, AC is parallel to this line, line B. So, by this we can prove the angle sum property of a triangle. Thank you.
to one and all. Myself Purvi from 6th B section. Today I am going to explain the sum of angles in quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So here I am having a quadrilateral shape starting with 4 angles. They are A, B, C and D. If I add these 4 angles together, the total angle is 360 degrees. So now I am going to explain the sum of angles in quadrilateral is 360 degree in simple and easy way. So here I am having a quadrilateral shape starting with 4 angles. They are 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I add these 4 angles, it should be equal to the 360 degree circle. So now let's cut it. But before cutting, let's know about the circle. So this circle, the total angle of circle is 360 degrees. So now here I am having a protractor with only 180 degree. How to get 360 degree? I'll show you. Here we are having 0. From 180 degree we have to count. 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360 degrees. So here I got 360 degrees. So now let's move on to our activity. So now let's cut it. So now I have cut in here. Now I'll assemble it. Here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and here angle 4. Now if I add this 4 angles together, it should be equal to the 360 degree circle. Let's see. Here I took angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and here angle 4. So now it has formed a circle. So this was the easy and simple method to prove any quadrilateral, not only this type, any type of quadrilateral like square, rectangle, trapezium, rhombus or any type of quadrilateral. Thank you.
Good morning to everybody. Myself Sharanya, I am from 6th standard C section. Today I would like to explain the process of sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Things required are glasses, soil or mud, a spoon and a strainer. Sedimentation. Take a glass and fill water in it and dissolve sand in it. Now mix it well. After 10 minutes, we can observe that the sand is settled at the bottom of liquid. The process in which insoluble impurities settle at the bottom of liquid to form sediment is called sedimentation. Now gently pour the water to another glass without disturbing the sediment. This process is called decantation. Decantation is the process of pouring clear liquid to the another glass without disturbing the sediment. Using the strainer, pour the liquid to the another glass. This process is called filtration. The process by which we can separate insoluble solids from the liquid with filter paper or strainer is called filtration. The liquid obtained after filtration is called filtrate. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Shreya. I study in 4th standard A section. Today I am going to do paper rocket.
My name is Muhammad Aslan and I am studying in 4th standard in SEI-STATE school. Today I am going to make paper aeroplane in rubber band.
My name is Arush. I am from class 3. I did a fun activity today. This is a fun way of learning tables. I used old cardboard at home and created this Mickey Mouse. Please take a look at this. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Similarly, 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Hope all of you like this fun way of learning maths. Thank you.
Friends, I'm Sia, studying in 3rd standard. Now I'm going to explain you division V. Today I have brought you an activity to introducing division. As we know that division is repeated subtraction and equal to distribution. I have prepared division V. Now look carefully at the central. I have mentioned divided by 2. Now I will explain you how it's work. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 8 is dividend, 2 is divisor, 4 is quotient. Now look carefully, friends. 4 2s are 8. 8 divided by 2 is 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 22 divided by 2 is 11. We all know that division and multiplication are related to one another. If you like it, please try with some. Thank you.